Shoots, how's it? In this video, we're going to check out another UV flashlight from Gearlight. This is the smaller version of the XR68 that we reviewed in my last video. But please stay till the end of this video on how to enter your chance to win in this XR68 giveaway. Alright, new video starts now, let's go! Okay, so this is the XR68 made by Gearlight. This UV flashlight features 68 LEDs with a wavelength of 390 nanometers. I'm not sure on the wattage, but if I were to guess, it's around 3 watts. It is made with military grade aluminum. It's small and compact with an anti-slip grip. Fits really nice in your hand. Comes with a standard lanyard and simple to use on and off switch. The XR68 takes 3 AA batteries and fits perfect with the core battery holder. Batteries are not included. You can use this to instantly charge up any glow-in-the-dark objects. The longer it's exposed to the UV, the longer it'll keep the charge. If you need to check for counterfeit money, you can definitely use this, as well as rocks and minerals that react to UV. You have a scorpion problem? Check out my fake scorpions in my garage. The widespread beam angle helps with searching for them. So this is about 10 to 15 feet away. You can tell the beam angle is pretty widespread, probably about 4 feet or so. With 68 LEDs, you'll get a pretty big beam spread, just like the XR68. I'm really not sure how good it'll do from 40 feet away, but let's see how it goes. The Gearlight XR68 is currently on sale for $10.99 on Amazon, but I'll be giving away this to one lucky winner. All you have to do is subscribe and like the video. Unfortunately, you have to be in the United States to win. Complete details will be in the description box below. Thank you, Gearlight, for providing me with these UV flashlights. I have more giveaways to do, so please subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching. Mahalo!